Hey everyone, my name is Natalie Stevens, and today I'm going to talk to you about the CRAP method and my experience with using it for evaluating websites. So, the CRAP test provides evaluation criteria for you to use to determine if your website is providing good information for your topic. So, the main areas of the CRAP test are currency, which is the timeline of the information. So, when was it published or when has it been updated? Next, we have the relevance or the importance of the information for your needs. So, is the information on the web page related to your topic? Does it give you what you're looking for? Next, we have the authority, which is the source of the information. So, does the web page give you the author, the publisher? Does it give you any credentials, or does it provide an organization that's associated with the web page? Then we have the accuracy, so that is based on like the reliability or the correctness of the content. This is where you want to look for where the information came from. Do they provide a list of references? And can you test or check for their information to make sure that it is correct? And lastly, we have the purpose or the reason the information exists. So is this web page giving you factual information, or is it based on opinion? Is the opinion logical, or are they just trying to promote or sell some sort of product? So once you've answered all of those questions, you can get a better idea of if the web page is something that you want to use for your research. I learned several things while using the CRAP method that I really did not ever pay attention to before. So my first topic, I was looking for strategies for teaching math, and the first web page that I found did not score as well as I thought that it should have, which was kind of surprising to me because at first glance it seemed like it would have had good information, but as I filled out the rubric, I saw that there were things missing. So it is the currency was up to date. It was within the last 2 years. However, it did not provide as much information as I was looking for. Also, there was not a specific author listed, but it did give some information about the organization, and the organization is rather well known. The references, there was not an actual list of references on the web page. It was more based on an opinion, from a teacher's experience, and it didn't have like a lot of data to be collected. After evaluating my first website, it made it a lot easier for me to find a higher scoring site. So the next site that I found to match the similar information of my topic was from tarleton.edu. And here it showed the author as well as her credentials. She was highly qualified to be giving research on this topic. It had a lot more information. It had charts and data, statistics. It had reference lists, and overall just everything that I needed to gather my own research. I would love to use this method in the classroom. We do a lot of web quest and research essays, so I think that this would be a really good strategy to teach students how to evaluate the websites to make sure that they are getting the information that is correct and that is related to what they need. I think that it'd be easy once the children got used to it. It'd be an easy step-by-step process for them to evaluate. One thing that was really surprising to me is that a lot of websites do not directly list an author for the article or for the information that's on the web page. And I really just thought that was something that would be one of the first things that you saw. Overall, I really liked using the CRAP method. I had never heard of it before now, but it is a great way to make sure that you're finding good information for your topic, and I plan on using it in the future. I hope that you enjoyed my presentation. I really enjoyed doing this assignment. Thanks.